Hello everyone, my name is Ruksar Nagra. Today I'm going to unbox Toguard 2.5K dash cam mirror. This is basically a camera which is I bought it for my car to do the recording while I'm driving on the road. So one of them the best product anyway so far. So let's see, I'm gonna start open up this so you can see what's the package look like inside. I ordered yesterday from Amazon. So let's see. It look like nicely packed. That's the 12-inch, so box look quite nice. It's telling the FHD, so 2K plus 1080p. That's nice. Dual recording, loop recording, touch screen, 12-inch LCD. So we're gonna unbox this now. So let's see what's the package inside. Box look very nice actually. Foam on the top to protect the screen. That's actually, they give you a free gift card with it. So basically you can order hardware, either a vacuum, either a memory card, or Amazon gift card. Very nice, impressive. That's the screen mirror. Look nice. That's the camera adjustable. Very nice. Let's see the accessories. What's in the accessories? That's your back camera hardwire, and camera is already in there. Quite a surprise. The back camera look very nice. 1080p. They connected already. That's the wire. This cable by your front side, cigarette lighter. This cable go in the cigarette lighter, so you can plug it from the front for the front camera. That's nice. Sticker for the back camera to stick it. GPS device. That's nice. Good package. That's a good thing. These got installation for rubber including there. That's nice. Nicely packed. That's the for two spare actually. So you can, if you lose one or two, you can use two. That's nice. Very nice. The kit for do your hard wiring. That's your sticker to put it on your window to say you got dash cam recording. these guys actually spare stickers in there if you need to stick your wires with it. That's nice. I think so, anything else in there. And that's your manual book. This tell you everything, how to install the camera and everything. Very nice. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel so I can bring more videos, and hopefully in my next video I will show you the setting how to use this dash camera. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.